Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Emasis. Today's video will be a bit brief, so I'll be just showing you. In the previous videos, I think we dealt with all of this. We dealt with most of all this, so this is not new. So I just want us to look at the currency part of it, and we also learn to appreciate. Now, in this video, I'll be discussing uh, these kinds of errors we usually have. Okay, I chose currency because it gives me some values. But basically, what we shall look at today is how to deal with scientific notation in Excel. Like for example, sometimes when you are given data, it is always affected by the settings either your Microsoft Excel chose for you, or someone used them but never took them back to normal. When I try to demonstrate that, how do you turn these into notations or scientific notations? You just have to come under number, then you just come here. It's already here. If you don't want it, you can find it here. You can even limit the decimal places. It depends on what you want, then you click OK. So I think you have ever encountered values that look like this in your data. Then this may not be a very good representative of the information you want to share. So how do you deal with this? How do you convert this to the way it was? You usually just have to select back this. Then you can just either put it back to general. It can bring it back to that. You can decide to choose a currency you want. Maybe currency which is USD. Then to 0 decimal places. It can also put that for you. But mainly that is it. That's how we can always neglect or work around the scientific notations. It's more of like simplifying the contents of our work, and to enable us manage it that way. But on the point of business view, it may not really work better. That's why we usually work with whole numbers, not notations. Basically, that was it for today. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.